Hey, my name's Levi Davison. We've been wanting to make this intro video for a little while, and we're just now getting around to it. We always slow down a little bit during harvest time. So I had a minute. I came into work early this morning and decided I'd do a little intro on our shop. So I am a fourth generation fuel injection tech. My great grandpa worked for International back in the day. My grandpa worked for John Deere. He went to a fuel injection class and decided he liked it. He was pretty good at it, and he started his own business. He taught my father, and then my father started his own business, and then he taught me. So there we are. Our shop is called Diesel Performance Engineering. We're out of Savannah, Missouri. We're a smaller shop. We're not gigantic, but we serve our customers as best as we can. And we mainly do fuel injection pumps, injectors, turbos. We have a drive-in side, and then we have a parts department as well. So I'm just going to take you through the shop a little bit right now, show you where I work. All right. So this is our fuel injection room. This is our teardown room. We've got all of our fuel injection pumps for certain pumps hanging up over here. As you can see, we're in the middle of a few jobs here. This is our staging area for stuff we need to work on. So that's all stuff waiting to get built. And then here, kind of in the middle of the room, we have this island workbench. And this is where we're set up for common rail injectors. So sometimes when we're not doing common rail, we end up setting some pumps there that we're staging and working on as well. These pumps are ready to run. We just need to run them across the test stand sometime. Here is our Bosch 205 machine. This runs common rail injectors on it. This side of the room, we have our mechanical pop tester, and this is our mechanical injector bench here. And then on this far wall here, this is our turbo balancer here in the green, and then this is our turbo rebuild station. So you can see we got 3 or 4 turbos over there in progress. Through this room is where the magic happens. This is our Bosch 707 test stand. This is what we run most smaller inline pumps on. That's an A pump right there off of case something or another. On this wall here, that's a Huey tester for 7360 injectors. These are injection lines, test adapters. In that cabinet we have more adapters and injectors for different pumps. Every pump has certain lines, certain injectors you have to run with it. This is our back rack test stand. This is what we run most rotary pumps on. This is our 615 Bosch test stand here. It's what we run bigger inline pumps and tractor pulling stuff on. And this is our Bosch 815 test stand. It's what we run common rail and VP44 pumps on. A little tight in this room. You gotta be a small guy like me to get through it, but we make it work. In this room here, this is our core room. I'll zoom out a little bit. So these are all our cores. These pumps are ones we gotta rob parts of every once in a while. We got core injectors down here at the bottom in all these bins that they're organized. So some parts are obsolete. We got to go, dumpster diving through the cores for them. And sometimes we have a customer call and they say they want a specific pump built. So, we'll look through our stash. This whole row here is all core turbos. I've got them all bagged and tagged and cataloged so I know what's where. And then the rest of this is our cleaning, machining stuff. So we got a solvent tank. We got our first media blaster here, and it's full of plastic media. It's really good at taking off the paint and dirt on the bead or on the pumps. This is our glass bead machine. It's got little glass, you can see the powder there in the corner. And that's really good at getting it to look like new. Clean up the metal a bit. This is what we use to clean up turbine housings. It's a steel shot machine. There are little steel beads down in there. You can see them there on the right, kind of piled up. And besides that, we got our mill. And we got our hot tank. And across the street, Joel at the Savannah Marine, he has a lathe that we use whenever we need to go lathe anything out. The mill mainly gets used for tractor pulling, machine work, and for drilling out bolts on exhaust housings. This is our parts department. These are mainly fuel injection parts you see right here, and turbo parts. That's all for the rebuilding we do. These last couple rows over here are all turbos. Those are all turbo boxes. More turbo boxes. Like every shop, we're kind of constrained on space, and we've got stuff that's piling up. We need some more shelves, but we can't quite do it. This is mainly where Rod and I sit at this point. Back when Darla was still here, she sat right there, the boss lady. And then this is our shipping right here. Spare boxes we'll reuse, packaging. That white deal right there is a foam machine. It'll fill that bag with foam, and we stuff things. And then we got our boxes, materials over here. This is our waiting room, so when you come in, you know, this is what you'll see. We got kind of display, we got shirts, additive there, waiting couch, coffee. And then the last section of our building is our drive-in service. So we got 6 bays, and right now it's a little crammed out here. We got a stand there we're borrowing right now. So we mainly do trucks, but we do tractors and skid steers and other stuff. As you can see, there's a 350 farm all right there. We did injection pump and head on it. Right now we're waiting on the head to get back. And this is kind of just cluttered right now, like every place. We've got our catch-all. We got a shit ton of turbo parts sitting out here, cores, stuff we use. So, well, that's the shop. In the future, I'm going to be posting some videos on how-to videos, you know, so give me any feedback you'd like to know. You know, it's kind of hard on the drive-in side because there's a million things that can go wrong, and it'd take forever to make those videos. But, you know, if there's something specific, holler, let me know. We'll probably have a different guy do those videos. I will mainly be doing the fuel injection and turbo videos. So, look forward to having you guys keep watching. Stay informed. I'll try to make the videos. They're not going to be perfect. They're going to be like this. You know, I'm not going to curate anything. I'm a mechanic. You know, I'm the owner's son. So I get here early. I stay late every day. I'm busy the whole time. I don't have time to edit videos. But I'll do my best to, you know, inform you guys, help you guys out. If you have anything specific, let me know. And like I said, Diesel Performance Engineering, Savannah, Missouri. Contact me if you need anything. Thanks.